All right, well, we're back on the 1980 FLH. We got the heads back. We went and picked up parts today. And so we got the heads done from the machine shop. And so we went and picked them up today. Got them in the box there. We'll get them out and unpack them here in just a sec. Guys, so you can see what I can see. All nuts and bolts and stuff that was holding everything together. These are clean looking. Oh, these are clean. That's the one with the messed up spark plug hole that they had to cut. Now, let's hopefully they labeled these. Alright, let's open this up. Bitch shovel head, number 1. The rear, there are a couple nuts holding that together. It should hold a spark plug. Let's see. Yeah, let's do the Alright, just kind of give you guys a heads up on what I'm looking at here. Okay, we got, this is the rear head that we had the repair done. This spark plug hole was damaged and the threads were gone, and they had put a time insert in and it pushed that out, and then they put a oversized time insert in, and then it pushed that out, and so the threads were too gone to put another time insert. And if I put a time insert in, there wasn't enough meat here between here to prevent cracking, and so they welded it and then they drilled it and then they tapped the threads. And it does fit spark plug. It's damaged. Let's not put the damaged one in. There's one. Let's get one of the long reach. We got 4 short reach. I don't have another long reach. All right, so put the short reach in. It takes a thread. Let's tighten one down. Anti-seize. Fresh hole. Can't hurt. About as snug as I would ever snug one. Short reach plug. Definitely going to go with the short reach plugs. Alright, now this one, this time insert was repaired. Brand new time insert. I did the valve faces. Check these down. The new valve seats in. New valve guides. So we got brand new valve guides in. Brand new. You see what I was looking at there? Sorry guys. I just pulled the rocker off of that one. And we got brand new valve guides. The valve stem down inside the double spring in there. So all this was pulled apart, measured, cleaned, nice and clean mating surfaces. Everything was checked. So we're definitely going to need the short reach plugs for these side, for this side. There's definitely a short reach plug. This is the front cylinder. We're just comparing. How that plug comes through. That's a time insert. That one's in. That was definitely needs a short reach. We're just gonna leave them in for now. This is a long reach plug here. Don't have another long reach plug. Thought I did. Alright, well, this one's got messed up threads on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to damage anything when I put it in. It threads right in just fine. That one goes right down in, finger tight. Go ahead and put it in. And so, long reach plug on one side, short reach plug on the other side. They put the long reach plug in on that side, and that's what caused the damage. They also fixed a couple time inserts by putting some steel inserts in, and then exhaust manifolds. See how that one is original? So they fixed a couple of the other time inserts on it. They did cleaning all the surfaces. So we had the threads, welding repaired done to this. New valves, valve guides put in. New valve seals put in. And then they also checked everything on the cylinder, on the pistons, and then they honed my cylinders for me. And so we have a brand new set of piston rings to put in this. And we have a whole gasket kit. So we got a brand new set of piston rings for it. Brand new. All the rings. So we're gonna put brand new rings on them pistons. And then we'll put brand new gaskets in. And we'll get it reassembled. We've got a couple other little things to address when we put it all back together. That's where we're at right now with it. So, we got everything done. All right, stay tuned.